Alrighty guys, we're here at T.J.Maxx in Burlington factory here in Chicago. And this elevator actually used to be a Vector, but unfortunately it got modded with KONE, more like a replacement. I don't know why they had to modernize this elevator, but so far it looks very tacky. Which sounds really loud. And I know the reason why they upgraded this elevator is because the old elevator that used to have Montgomery Vector buttons were not ADA compliant. Wow, this is so different. Total replacement. I'm assuming this floor is locked. Yeah, lower level. Montgomery door track on the outside, and the KONE door track on the inside. And if the door goes, takes a billion years to close. Nice. Nice mode, yay! Going down?
We're going down.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doing all right today?
Yep.
Doing great. How are you?
Doing good.
Sounds wonderful.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
And there goes the elevator. What a weird replacement of the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.